What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to make this video just a quick one to show off the Softopper from Softopper.com for my 92 Bronco. I have a how to put it together video as well on my YouTube channel, but this is just a quick one to show my favorite configurations and what it kind of looks like and how you go about setting it up for the day based on what you're going to be driving. I guess it wouldn't be a good video unless I went through how quick and easy it is to put this top up. So my favorite version of the soft top, and sorry, my voice is still screwed up from COVID, is to basically just flip the sides up and still have the roof on the back because you get all the airflow, but then you're still kind of keeping the sun off. So I'm going to go through that real quick. It's super fast and easy. I might not do it how the manual says, but this is the easiest way to do it for me. So I'm just going to run through that real quick. So I always go underneath this arm on the middle one. And just like that, we have the top up in the way that I like it the most. Now, I'm only 5'7", and you saw how I could still reach everything pretty well. I mean, I had to stand on my tiptoes to get around the wheel on the back, but if you're a short guy like me, you'll still be able to do this just fine. I think even if I was like 2 inches or shorter or so, I'd still be able to get it. Sorry about the darkness. So, all right, that's my favorite way to do the soft top. If you were gonna do the whole thing all the way, well, I guess I should just do it now for the video, huh? Just pretend that these are buttoned up. Basically what I'm going to go through is the process from getting it from fully on, minus the bar in the back because my Bronco unfortunately doesn't have it, to the top buttoned all the way back. And it actually comes with this canvas bag that I didn't use at first, but you're going to want to use this when you have the top all the way down to keep your flap and your tarp from blowing in the wind and getting away. This will actually lock it to the frame. You'll see me put it on at the end of the video. So let's get into it. Basically, you tuck these up over the top. Now, I always wear sandals when I do this because eventually you step on the seat, and I like to do that without my boots on. So we're going to undo the buttons on the front and then kind of roll it up and bring it back and fold everything back. Don't mind my butt. Yep, see? It really likes to go back. You're probably going to want to wind that up a little better. But now with everything back here, you're going to kind of want to clump it up, and then you can put it inside that tarp. You can see I don't really do it this way that often, you can see, because I have no streamlined way of doing this. Should probably make sure that this is actually in frame, huh? So basically this black tarp just kind of swallows the whole thing up. I'm gonna try and finish this quick because I got someone coming up in a tractor, but basically, bag's on here. Now your tarp's not going anywhere. There's 3 clips that are part of this bag that wrap around so that way it doesn't blow away in the wind. Not sure if I'll include this or not, but putting the sucker back up can be a bit of a pain in the butt. I've only done it a few times so far, so I'll see how long this one takes me. Get after it. Take our top off. I always just keep that tarp in the bed of the truck. So we're gonna flip everything up, and we gotta get it so we're buttoning up the top again. Now this is where wearing sandals comes in handy, because I can kick the boots off and kind of walk around on the upholstery, but it's a little tough with boots. Watch your step. All right. Then you just go through and button up the sides. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you're thinking about buying this soft top, just do it. I think I got mine for $900. I don't know what the prices are now. It's absolutely worth it if you live in a place like me. I live in New York, where it can be raining on a Tuesday and sunny for 4 days and then raining again. So having the hard top, having to take it off, the process, find a spot for the shell was a real pain in the butt. Having the soft top makes it so much easier to enjoy this vehicle the way it's meant to enjoy. I absolutely recommend it if you can afford it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the day. I totally forgot to record what it looks like with the soft top just on as it is with the whole thing down. So here's that video. My bad. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and see you next time.